Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea Blackberry. First thing you gotta do is open up this and you pour the mix into this cup. Then after that, you pour the water into this mug. Then after that, last but not least, you add the Blackberry fizzy water and you pour it into this mug. See how it's fizzing like that? It's an interesting recipe I'm coming up with. See if people like it. You pour a little more. Then after that, you add a little more water. And then, here is your Carbonated Nestea Original Lemon Iced Tea Blackberry. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. And have a great day, folks. By the way, have a good summer. Thank you.